Hi there and welcome to another video from Faraz Maths. It's Mr. Faraz Hassan here, and in this video we are learning simplify expressions with algebraic fractions. So let's start with things I really want you need to already know. Previously in fractions in numbers strength, you have learned how to add, subtract, multiply and divide fractions. You must know how to do this for this video. You must know how to do with numbers. So pause the video and check that you can get the answers for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here in the first question, if you want to add the fractions, it is 3 over 5 plus 2 over 7. What you have to do here, you have to make the denominator same. So how you can make the denominator same? You need to think in this way that if you multiply 5 by 7 there, and if you multiply this 7 by 5 there, the denominators will become same because 5 is the denominator of the first fraction. So that's why we are multiplying it in the second fraction. And 7 is the denominator of the second fraction. That's why we are multiplying it in the first fraction. So if you do that, you will get 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, plus 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Now what you have to do when denominators are same, you can add the numerators because there is a positive sign in between the fractions. 21 plus 10 is 31 over 35, and that's the answer for the first one. In the second one, we have to do the same thing. Again, we have to make the denominator same. So we have to multiply. First of all, check the denominator of the second fraction. What is it? 7. So that's why we are multiplying 7 there. 7 and 7. And then check the denominator of the first fraction. That's why we are multiplying it by the second fraction. 5 over 5. Now, the denominator will become same. 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, minus 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35, 21 minus 10, so that will become 11 over 35. Okay, the third one. So what you have to do here, 3 times 2, which is 6, 5 times 7 is 35, and that's our answer, 6 over 35. 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 7. So whenever we have a divide sign in between the fractions, what we will do? We will flip the fraction. So you have to flip the second fraction. 3 over 5 divide will change into multiply and then flip it. It will become 7 over 2. Now multiply 3 by 7, it will give you 21. And then 5 times 2 is 10. 21 over 10 is the answer. Okay, coming to the next. X over 5 plus x over 7. Now we have x over there, x over 5 plus x over 7. So what you have to do? Again, we have to do the same thing, make the denominator same. So in the second fraction, we have 7 over there. So multiply 7 there, 7 over 7. And in the first fraction, we have 5 there. So you have to multiply 5 in the second fraction. Now 7x over 35 plus 5x over 35. When denominators are same, you can add the numerators and keep the denominator same. So 35 will remain 35 and 7x plus 5x is 12x. Okay, the next one, again you have to do the same thing, multiplied by 7 over 7 and 5 over 5. So that is 7x over 35 minus 5x over 35. Now 7x minus 5x is 2x and keep the denominator same, 35. Now in multiply, you don't have to make the denominator same, and in divide also. So what you have to do, you have to just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So that is x square over 35. The last one, x over 5 divided by x over 7. So whenever we have a divide sign in between the two fractions, what you have to do, you have to flip the second fraction. Flip it. And if we flip it, what will it become? X over 5. Then you have to change the divide sign into multiply and then flip it. So it will become 7 over x. Now x cancel with x by 1. Same things in the numerator and denominator cancel with each other by 1. And then the answer would be 7 ones are 7, 5 ones are 5, 7 over 5. Okay, coming to the next. Pause the video and try these questions by yourself. So 5 over x plus x over 3. So now if we simplify this, what we have to do here, we have to make the denominator same. So this one is x, this one is 3. How you can make it same? You have to make x, like, because the second denominator is 3, that's why we are multiplying the first fraction by 3 over 3, and the first denominator is x there, so you have to multiply the second fraction by x over x to make the denominator same. Remember one thing, why we are doing this all? Because we want to make the denominator same. 5 3s are 15, 3x plus x times x is x squared, and then 3 times x is 3x. Now when the denominators are same, keep the denominators same, and you can write it in the single fraction. You have to keep the denominator same, like 3x, 3x, it will remain 3x, and then add the numerators. So it is simple, 15 plus x squared over 3x. That's our answer. Okay, the second question, 7 over 2x minus 3x over 4. So what we have to do here, you have to again make the denominator same. 2x and 4. If you take LCM in between 2 and 4, what is it? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2, repeat 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 is the LCM in between 2x and 4. So how you can make the denominator same? You can make the denominator same if I multiply it by 2 over 2 and this one by x over x. So 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4, and 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 3x times x is 3x squared, and 4 times x is 4x. Okay, you cannot make it 8x, okay? Why? Because the lowest common multiple in between 2x and 4 is 4x. Because 4 goes into 4x and 2x goes into 4x. Now we just need to write 14 minus 3x squared over 4x, and that's our answer. Okay, coming to the next. Pause the video and try these questions by yourself. So x over 5 times 7 over 3x. Now you don't have to take LCM or make the denominator same, because there is multiply sign and there is a divide sign. So what you have to do now, you have to just simplify. Now here what we can do, let me rewrite it, x over 5 times 7 over 3x. I can cancel x by x, because same things in the numerator and denominator cancel with each other by 1. So 1 times 7 is 7, 5 times 3 is 15, so 7 over 15 is the answer. Okay, the next one, 3x over 5 divided by 7 over x. So if we take 3x over 5, whenever we have a divide sign in between the fractions, you have to change it into multiply and then flip the fraction, flip it. So it would be x over 7. Now you can simply do 3x times x is 3x squared over 35, and that's our answer. Okay, coming to the last question. Pause the video and try this question by yourself. Okay, the first step in this question is very simple. What you have to do, whenever we have a divide sign in between the fraction, we know we have to change it into multiply and flip the fraction. Always flip the second fraction, okay? Don't forget it. Don't flip the first fraction. You always have to flip the second fraction. So it will look like this, 20x cube over 9 bracket x plus 1. And the first fraction will remain as it is, 3 bracket x plus 1 whole square over 5x. Now we have to simplify this. Now multiply sign is there in between the fractions, so you can cancel numerator and denominator by the single number. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. And this is x power 1 there, so you can completely cancel it. And this is x power 3 there. So how many powers you cancelled? You cancelled only one power, so you have to subtract 1 from this x. Here we have x plus 1 power 1 there, so you have to cancel it completely. And then How many powers we cancelled here? Only power 1, so you have to subtract 1 from there. And we know this thing already, that 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, now the remaining things are x plus 1 power 1 over 1 times 4 over 3, and it is x square. 3 minus 1 is 2. And in the final step we can write 4x square and the bracket x plus 1 over 3, and that's our answer. So that's it for this particular video. Thanks for watching. We will continue from the next.